Ngiyabingelela kuwo wonke umphakathi. Namhlanje sila eRiverside Hotel size kwi-launch yeWillis Mchunu Foundation, who is the chairperson of the province KwaZulu-Natal, okuyena okhokhela umkhonto wesizwe usihlalo wawo kwisifundazwe saKwaZulu-Natal, ophinde-ke abe ex-official member ye-National High Command. So uMacingwane is well known in this province as an icon. Umacingwane has been there. He is a veteran, he's a stalwart, he is an activist, a political activist. Umacingwane has been in government for several years, in so much that Umacingwane, being the chairperson of the organization yakhe akade kuyona, uphinde Umacingwane waba upremier of the province yaKwaZulu-Natal. So he carries with himself in knowledge, in wisdom, he carries experience, he carries everything. So as eqala le foundation, uthe uMacingwane ufuna ukulekelela manje with his name ukuze ashiye legacy for his family and for the people of this province and this country. Uthe ufuna ukusupporta abantu aba-disabled nge-foundation yakhe, ufuna ukusupporta abasebenzi kuma-workers' right, ufuna ukusupporta aba-retayile, you know, the elderly like ourselves. Uma sesificwa yinkinga, he wants to be there for us, asupporte. Ufuna ukuthi angenelele kwizinto zobuciko, ama-culture, amasiko, akwazi ukuthi abantu bakithi ba-benefit from this foundation with his support. He wants to support traditional leaders. You know ukuthi thina njengoZulu sinamakhosi, siyahlonipha kakhulu ubuholi bendabuko. So uMacingwane wants to contribute kubaholi bendabuko in our country and in our province. He wants to also look at the vulnerable groups, you know, the orphans and vulnerable children, those that are abandoned, ingane eziswele kanjalo neintandane. He wants to take care of them and the charity to these kids, zibe nama uniform, zibe nokudla, zibe nayo yonke into ongayicabanga ephilisa umuntu. So this is the foundation which we are going to see ourselves as a province of KwaZulu-Natal taking care of our own, simboza inkinga zethu. Ufuna ukuthi makune disaster, we know ukuthi abantu bakithi bebechaswa. There are like more than 500 people that died in the floods zaseNanda who were not taken care of, except ukuthi bahlaliswa temporarily for years. There was no memorial service esabakuyona sayothandaza. Sikhulekela 500 people owaminza through ama natural disasters. But we are seeing abantu abawu-20 abashona bejabula, ngingasho ukuthi ukufa ku-right, bejabula bencebeleke ema-tavern. Those people are given state funerals, they are being honored and so on. Not that go wrong, but we are just jealous ukuthi 500 people that died, some of them are missing, and our families akhona could not get a closure. Uthi uMacingwane ngifuna ukuthi mina ngibe khona kwi-gap to assist these people. So it's going to come with this foundation. It's going to, angazi ukuthi ngingathini, kodwa as I'm explaining it, you understand. Kuzophinda futhi kukhona ama-students and youth who are failing to even pay registration for tertiary. And some of them bafunda ey'kolweni where they are expected to pay, even if a school is a no-fee paying school, but there is an agreement yabazali to pay 50 rands, 100 rands or whatever. But uMacingwane wants to intervene in that regard and assist these learners with basic needs. Ingane wafunayo Mrs. Esikoleni, like sanitary towels, like food, like accommodation, like transport, all those needs. He wants to foundation yakhe ilekelele lapho. He also wants to assist ama students nentsha, youth. Youth yethu icwilile idakamizweni. Youth yethu inawo wonke ama social ills ongawamenshina. And there are people that led our youth to prostitution. There are people that are recruiting ingane zethu ukuthi zibe ama-addict. There are people that are even killing them for organs. There are people that are trafficking youth yethu. There is a lot that is happening, even alcohol itself. It is there sold for our youth. More especially the toxic alcohol, which is Zambia, which is killing our people. So this youth is also so vulnerable that it needed this assistance. Women. But women in particular. You know, we are faced with gender-based violence. Not only that, our kids, it's painful to see your child, isithi mingena ubamba isikhwama ubale kuye ekamereni ufihla iselfoni ubize bonke nabangani bakhe abakuvakashela uthi lalelani ngicela bandla bakwethu umuntu abamba isikhwama sakhe because isingenile lengane kade sayigcina 3 weeks la ekhaya ihlale emgaqweni. It's so painful for a woman. And secondly, we are raising children single-handedly as omama. So all that, we need somewhere, we need a shoulder, we need to go and cry to a father. And we see today that we're having a father, Ubaba Macingwane, who said, with my name, I want to come and intervene. Ngibe igama eliyokwaziwe emhlabeni ukuthi labakhulula abantu. Even though engekakwenze 100% of everything, but the little contribution that he is going to make is going to make a difference to our people. That is what I can say about this event. And I'm happy to be part of it, and I'm contributing. I am going to also contribute going forward to ensure ukuthi lelo cent makukuthi lithenga u10 kg wempuphu, at least I know there is a family that is not going to sleep hungry.
Siyabonga namhlanje uProfessor Mkhizelo njengoba namhlanje kuusuku olukhulu lwethu lapho sizolontsha khona iWillis Mchunu Foundation. Njengoba sithi okubaleke kakhulu njengoba namhlanje sifikile sizokwazisa umphakathi uwonke ukuthi iWillis Mchunu Foundation isikhona and inezinto eziningi ke ezanzayo ngoba izifiso zayo ezikhulu bekuthi ikwazi ukuthi ibhekelele umphakathi and nama vulnerable members of the civil society lapho kubheke khona ebantwini abasemakhaya ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi basizakale ukuthi bakwazi ukuzenzela izinto bangakholelwa ukuthi kufanele ukuthi bamuve baye emadolobheni ukuze bathole amathuba ukuthi baziphilise. Siyile nhlangano ke foundation sikhonela zonke lezo zinto lezo ukuze bakwazi ukuthi basizakale abantu basemakhaya. Ne-youth ke abantu abasha sifuna ukuthi badevelopeke ukuze basizakale ngazo zonke izinto abazidingayo nasekufundeni nje bakwazi basizakale njengoba nje le nhlangano incane kangaka ngokuzalwa kwayo kodwa sikwazile ukuthi ihambele izikole eziningana ikwazi ukuthi size abantwana ngokubadevelopa ngoba phela abantwana bethu eSouth Africa bayikusasa lethu abaholi futhi bakusasa sibanikeza ke icathulo kanye nokunye ngoba senzela ukuthi abantwana abafane nabanye bangafili be-isolated babe ngathi abafani nabanye abantwana abazifile bephephile bezifise futhi besemalungelweni ngoba konke lento yicathulo akuzona nje icathulo kuphela kodwa kuyinto yokuthi ikwazi ukuthi ibakhuthaze ekutheni bakwazi ukuthi bahambe mabe esikolweni nokuthi ikwazi ukuthi ibenze ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bafezekise izinhloso zabo kwikusasa labo konke okwabo kubheke phambili empumelelweni ngokuba benomfaniswane ofana nowezinye izingane ngoba phela umntwana wesikole akayena umntwana wesikole ngaphandle kwe-uniform noma umfanekiso ofana nowabanye abantwana. Kuningi ke sisazongena kukona esizokwazi ukuthi asisize ngawo sisize nomphakathi ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uthuthuke umphakathi ngoba sifuna thina njenge-Willis Mchunu Foundation ukuxhasa into ka-Vision 2030 le yayukuthi abantu kufuna ukuthi babe sebewatholile amathuba baphinde bakhule nangolwazi ngoba njengoba sibheke nasesikhathini se-5th Industrial Revolution abantu bonke kufuna ukuthi babe befikelele kuzo zindawo sikwazi ukuthi nasezikoleni ezisemakhaya ikakhulukazi sikwazi ukuthi sivule nama-computer hubs ukuze abantwana bakhule benayo lento yokwazi ukusebenzisa ikhompyutha ngoba into ye-technology into eziningi azisenza ukusebenza manually. So kuyinhloso yethu ke leyo esisazohamba ibanga elide ekutheni sikwazi ukuthi sibasize abantwana basemzansi abantu abadala kwakade becindezelekile kanye nakweze agriculture ke abantu basizwe sibanikeza imbewu sibanikeze omanyolo ukuze bakwazi ukuthi basebenze bese sikwazi ukuthi sakhe lento okuthiwa ama-foreign direct investments sibuke nasemazweni aphesheya ukuthi yini abangenayo esinayo la ekhaya ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sibalungisele izimakethe ukuthi badayise izinto zabo ukuze bakwazi nabo baphile bazizwe besezweni elikahle elibacabangelayo eSouth Africa particularly okwamanje sisese-KZN kodwa siyamuva uyikona nje ukuthi kuphela sisebancane ngokuzalwa kodwa sizomuva sogcina sikwi-South Africa yonke ukuze abantu bonke basizakale kukhule nomnotho i-current account yezwe lethu lase-South Africa.
Uzama ukuhlwa kamavimbela lona ya bethu ophuma eLady Smith ngizelana nje ngizobungaza nje ubaba uWillis Mchunu ubaba Macingwane ngalent ilaunch yakhe yeWillis Mchunu Foundation njengoba silana nje sobungaza nje ubaba nje as angeke kuningi kakhulu mfethu engakona ayikona as a struggle icon, as the longest serving member ku-KZN legislator. Kuningi nje butwami kuningi nje mfethu engakusho nje kodwa nje lolo suku nje lingaye yabo nje sombungaza somhalalisela nje ukuthi engathi konke lokho kuzokwenzeka namhlanje ngaba impumelelo ukuqhubekela phambili.
Asibingelele uSiphiwe lo kaVilakazi ngihamba noSimphiwe sibizwa ngamawela seChesterville. Okokuqala siqale sibonge ukuba yipart ye foundation yokulontsha kwayo ekusho ukuthi sibe yipart yokuqala komkhulu uyothi uma uqhubeka kuya phambili nathi sibe yipart yehistory ukuthi inkathi ilontsha amawela yekhona. Into eyenza ukuthi sibe khona because ifoundation ukulontsha kwayo ingaqala manje kodwa umsebenzi uMacingwane ayenzile ayiqali manje. Sisabantu abalekelelile ekukhuleni nje kwethu silekelele ngento eziningi sila sikhona une impact enkulu empilweni zethu. So sizobonga sibongela abantu abasazosibenefita nathi futhi sibenefitile siyathemba ukuthi nabazobenefita ba respond positively kwinto abazobenefita ngayo kwi-foundation. Sifisela okuhle kodwa i-foundation ikhule njalo ibe nomthelelo omuhle emphakathini esiwakhele.
Sibingelele kumphakathi wonke wase South Africa lo uThulani wakamyeza udokotela we-Africom Foundation sila namhlanje na kuWillis Mchunu Foundation ukuzoba nabo kulo mcimbi wabo namhlanje na we-fundraising gala dinner. So Africom Foundation sithi siwaseka wonke ama-foundation afuna ukusiza ingane yomuntu omnyama eSouth Africa nanokuthi ikwazi ukuthi ithuthuke. Ngiyabonga.
Igama lami ngingubonga inkosi uGift Education Khanyile. Namhlanje size ngokuzolontsha ifoundation kababa uMacingwane uMchunu. Baba Macingwane sizokwazi ke ukuthi unguhlalo womkhonto wesizwe kwaZulu Natal, aphinde abe former premier, aphinde abe umuntu nje onomlando omkhulu ezweni laKwaZulu nasemzabalazweni. Sizomazi as a trade unionist, sizomazi as an organizer, sizomazi as a mobilizer, sizomazi as a seasoned educator and a politician. Sizomazi njengobaba nje onemfundiso eziningi ezakhayo politically, personally and otherwise. So today we have honored the invitation to come and say, let's see the establishment of the foundation, which is Willis Mchunu Foundation, a foundation that seeks to work with the people and that seeks to ensure that the agenda of those that are still waiting to benefit from the fruits of democracy are indeed able to benefit. So we are here humbly so, we are here motivated, we are here to learn more, and we are here to further dive deep into the depth and the legacy and all what Ubaba Mchunu has stood for as an individual. Ngiyabonga nje kakhulu, ngiyabonga ukubalana ntambama namhlanje. Thank you very much.
Sifisa ukubingelela bonke abakhona namhlanje usuku olukhulu lapho kuzolontsha khona ifoundation kababa uWillis Mchunu. Sizokhumbula ke ukuthi ubaba uWillis Mchunu umholi oqavile kulesi sifundazwe saKwaZulu Natal, iloko sithi i-seasoned leader. So silapha kuzohalalisa nokuzoqinisekisa ukuthi umsebenzi lo omfanele ngokomsebenzi wakhe eyigabeni naseyinhlakeni eziningi esikholwa ukuthi uzokwazi ukuletha iqhaza elikhulu, ngoba kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi kube khona inhlaka ezifana nalezi zama foundation azokwazi ukulekelela eqinisekiseni ukuqala ukugcina ilegacy yakhe, okwesibili ukuqinisekisa ukuthi lokhu akusebenzele for years kuyakwazi ukuthi kuqhubeke kube sesigabeni sokuthi abantu ngisho abangazange baze bakwazi ukuba naye nokumbona ezikhathini ezithile bese bekwazi ukuthola ukulekeleleka ngenxa ye-foundation. Silapha nje ukuzosupporta kakhulu i-foundation yomholi esimaziyo nesikholelwayo futhi ukuthi iqhaza lakhe libaluleke kakhulu kulesi sifundazwe nase-South Africa nje yonke.
Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane lo, the former public protector was South Africa. Currently, I'm the chairperson yomkhonto wesizwe eMpumalanga. We are here ukulauncha i-foundation i-Willis Mchunu Foundation. Siyazi ukuthi i-Willis Mchunu Foundation ixhumekeke kakhulu ukuthi i-protect ama-workers' rights, farm workers, the youth development, issues relating to traditional leaders. So it's doing everything. So this is what we should be doing. He worked for ANC for a long time. He's a very seasoned and experienced politician. Actually, naye politics, it's a science to him. He understands the black struggles and the oppression, and especially the human dignity, which we all are concerned about. So we are here to support the i-Willis Mchunu Foundation to make sure ukuthi it continues to protect the vulnerables. As I said, labeng ma mentionile akupheleli lapho, every struggle which is faced by the marginalized, Willis Mchunu Foundation will be focusing on. Thank you.
Ngokwami, it's a very big day namhlanje ebusuku la sizolauncha khona i-Willis Mchunu Foundation. Ubaba Willis has been involved in community, political, worker issues for so many years before 1994. Ngaleyo ndlela ungamfanisa with an encyclopedia ephethe history of almost 60 years or so, during the darkest days of apartheid, up until the days of where people intensely struggled against, organized themselves and struggled against those racial laws. During the times of transition, he was there. And after the transition, he was there. And even the times when our new rulers now, instead of doing things that we're expecting them to do, did something completely different. And therefore, the experience now is an experience that this country needs, not just for current generations, but even for the future, that will tell us what is it that was good that they did, where did they go wrong, what do we need to do to prevent this zenzakalayo namhlanje, which then stand as an obstacle between us achieving what we said and naso sikhathi sarepresswe ngaso. So, and therefore ngaleyo ndlela ubaba uWillis, when his time comes, we must be left with the treasure ye-experience yakhe, yengqondo yakhe, imicabango yakhe na yonke into, not just for current generations but then for the future. I-foundation, that is where it comes in. I-foundation ensures ukuthi Baba Willis Mchunu lives even beyond his life on this earth, because his brains, his experiences, ideas are there now, we still need to know about them. In 200, 300 years to come, those ideas will even be more, I think, important and relevant. And that is why we need to keep them for posterity. This foundation is about that today. We are here to create and restore the future through the experience and the brains of Willis Mchunu.